Hey YouTube, it's Aqua, and I want to show you how to make Facebook login games work again. So when you go on your app and then you go on your Facebook game and you go to log in with Facebook and it doesn't act right, or you want to just get a whole new save, what you want to do is you're going to go to Facebook, okay, and then you're going to log into your profile. Okay, once you log into your profile, you're going to go to the top right and you're going to hit settings. Okay, and then once you're going to hit settings, you're going to hit settings again. And then you're going to go to the bottom left here until you scroll down and see apps and websites. Then once you go to apps and websites, you're going to see all the apps you have. So let's say that Coin Master was the game I logged into, right? I go to hit remove, and then I can hit remove again. And then so now when I try to log into um, Cash Master or whatever the heck it was, um, it should be a fresh login, and the login should be fixed. Yep, and that's pretty much it. Let's get it. Let's go. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.